get the big picture and you see where the money goes and what are the good things that you are doing with the money from the citizens.
Making a change makes you feel proud. For example, recently the European Commission recommended to open negotiations with Albania. There is a chapter there, chapter 32, and they had some good words there, and it makes you feel good to see that you have contributed a little bit on the progress of your countries.
Being a part of, being one of the authors of this reform, this project is currently one of the greatest motivations, I think, than salary or other material things.
In our countries, usually accounting, especially public sector, is considered as a back office function, and usually, the people don't understand the role, the importance of accounting in the, let's say, in better management, transparency, and usage of public funds.
So at this moment, I would say that this integration between the accounting and the statistics and all these demands that we now have in Croatia regarding the Eurostat and all this implementation of this international statistics.
We have the legislation in place, we have IT system, we have the system, the whole system. Yes, there are some gaps, but we have it. Now we have challenge of capacities. They don't know what is accrual accounting. It's very difficult to explain an accountant of a small school or kindergarten to what is accrual accounting. He or she knows only cash. Cash exists or not.
Biggest issue is making it sustainable, making it a habit actually.
The one piece of advice I would give is to be pragmatic and realistic. That's probably two pieces, and I'd actually give a third, and that is to, undertake some real strategic planning before you embark on the journey.
What I would say to your countries is you're not alone. We're all working together in this. We're all thinking about the same issues, so stay together, and there's a lot of mutual support to be had.
The experience of other countries, because there is no best practice of the whole process of implementation. Every country can have made an effective implementation of some parts of this program, this reform. So this is the main takeaway, I think, of this program.
Taking an opportunity to ask all of these experts one-on-one all these questions that you usually have while doing your work, but you don't have anybody to ask. And now then you get an opportunity during the coffee breaks, during the sessions, to really ask all of your questions that you have in mind.
So I think it's really about the people, kind of like a herd of young, innovative people, trying to make a difference, trying to push accounting reforms hard. Which creates a really inspiring atmosphere. But it's not only, it's about the combination of kind of practical experience, but also international organizations and academia, and I think that's how that's the way forward.
It's really bringing people together who are in the same space, professionally speaking, so they are in their respective organizations, they spearhead probably the reforms in their countries, and from time to time there can be a very lonely issue, and you can feel left alone, you can feel like nobody's there out there kind of helping you. And when you come to a place like that, you see that you're in a room full of people who have the same issues you have, the same challenges, the same hopes, and that's giving you a lot of motivation.
I hope that EBSAS will make a difference, that it will bring forward this debate, and in a few years' time we really do have better accounting across Europe and more widely. What
would our accounting system look like in 20 years? So I have a perfect one.
We really want this. It would have been great if there was like a magic wand that would help us to implement PULSAR just like that. And hope that the PULSAR plays such a role.